Hello and welcome to Design Guy. Ready to make your slides pop with cool animations in Canva? Click Create, then select Custom Size. Enter 100 by 200 pixels for this demo. Next, go to Elements and click Shapes. Choose the rectangular shape and add it to your design. This simple process sets up your workspace with a custom canvas and a basic shape to start building your project efficiently. Add the rectangular shape here, then duplicate it to create a matching copy for your design layout. Use the duplicate function to speed up this process efficiently. Press Ctrl plus D to duplicate the shape until there are 4. Next, select each shape and change its color to differentiate them clearly. This helps organize your design and makes it visually appealing for better recognition. Each item will change to black and yellow. Next, we will add letters to the design. Select the text tool, click your desired location, and type the letters carefully. Adjust the font, size, and color to match the black and yellow theme. This completes the customization of colors and text. Add tags by typing A, then duplicate it 3 times. Next, change each tag as needed to organize your content effectively. This helps categorize items and improve searchability within your project. Repeat the process to add more tags quickly and efficiently. Place the ABCD slide below. Hold the Control key while you drag it to the desired position. This lets you move the slide precisely without disrupting the layout, ensuring everything stays organized and easy to follow in your presentation. Drag the item downward to the desired position. You can also use the arrow keys for precise movement. Press the down arrow key repeatedly to move the item incrementally. This allows you to adjust placement accurately without using the mouse. Continue adjusting until the item aligns perfectly where you want it on the screen. Using arrow keys provides fine control, making it easier to position elements precisely within your project or interface. Select the items you want to group. Press Ctrl G to group them together. Next, click and drag the group downward to the desired position. Adjust the placement precisely by dragging until it aligns with your layout. Repeat the grouping process for any additional elements you want to move together. This helps keep your workspace organized and makes editing easier. Navigate to the Ladies section. Once there, scroll down to view all available options. Use the filters to narrow your choices if needed. Explore the selection thoroughly to find the perfect item. When ready, proceed to add your chosen product to the cart for purchase or further review. Select the color you want. Hold Shift and click to select both objects. Press Ctrl and Shift together, then press G to group them. Next, select the group and press C to copy it. This groups your selection and creates a duplicate. Use these shortcuts to organize and duplicate elements quickly and efficiently. Grouping helps manage multiple items as one for easier editing and movement within your project. Press Ctrl plus G to group the 4 letters. Now that they are grouped, arrange them as needed for your design. This helps keep the elements together for easier manipulation. Use alignment tools to position the group precisely. Grouping simplifies editing and ensures consistent spacing throughout your project. To add another page, press Ctrl plus V to paste the first and second slides. On your slide front, create an original return or home page. Then, add text and images to customize this slide. This process helps organize your presentation by providing easy navigation back to the start. Use clear labels for your homepage so viewers can recognize it instantly. Arrange your text and images logically to maintain a clean, professional look. This method improves flow and usability, making your presentation more engaging and easier to follow. Always save your changes to avoid losing work as you update your slides. Click the button to open a new page. On this page, enter the letter P in the designated field. Next, proceed to the following section to continue the setup. Ensure the P input is correctly placed. Then, review the information displayed to confirm accuracy. After verification, click the next button to advance to the subsequent step. Follow the prompts to complete the configuration process. If any errors appear, double-check the entries and correct them before proceeding. This ensures smooth operation and prevents issues later. Once all necessary steps are completed, save your changes. Finally, close the page to return to the main interface. This completes the setup using the letter P on the new page. You're now ready to continue with the next part. Next, duplicate this for the page you want. You will see that it works correctly. Now, let's align the letters properly. I will do it first to demonstrate the process. Begin by selecting the text box, then adjust the alignment settings in your toolbar or properties panel. Choose left, center, or right alignment based on your design needs. Make sure the spacing between letters is consistent for a clean appearance. After aligning the letters, you may want to fine-tune the positioning of the text box itself. Drag it to the desired spot on the page to ensure it fits well within your layout. Remember to check the alignment on different pages if you're working with multiple duplicates. Consistency across pages helps. Select the position tool, then group the objects. First, group the blue and yellow objects together by selecting both and pressing Ctrl+G. Next, select the red object and group it separately using Ctrl+G. Finally, select the blue and green objects and group them together with Ctrl+G. Grouping these elements helps organize your workspace and allows for easier manipulation of combined objects. You can now move, resize, or apply effects to each group as a single unit, streamlining your workflow. Remember to name your groups for quick identification. This grouping process improves efficiency and clarity when working with multiple overlapping elements in your project. Continue grouping related items to maintain. First, delete the initial item to clear the workspace. Next, create new elements as needed. Use the existing perfectly grouped items to organize your work efficiently. This approach ensures a clean setup, making it easier to manage and modify groupings without confusion or clutter during your project. First, add the machine to the consideration list by selecting the appropriate option. Once the machine is included, apply the changes to update the setup. Next, test the configuration by attempting to access the external environment. This will confirm if the machine is correctly recognized and allowed through the system. After completing these steps, proceed to review the results on the interface. Note that the last slide within the presentation is not intended for this specific page. Instead, navigate back to the main page and locate the slide that you need to use for the review process. Repeat this step to ensure you have the correct slide displayed, which will provide the necessary information for evaluating the changes made. Now all the elements are functioning perfectly. Next, let's add images. For example, type animal in the search bar to find relevant graphics. Click search, then filter the results by selecting graphics. Browse through the options and find an image that fits your design. Once you locate the desired graphic, click on it to preview. Once satisfied, add the graphic to your project by dragging it onto the slide or clicking the add button. Position the image precisely on the line or area you want it to appear. After placing it, select the image along with any related elements, then group them to keep everything organized. Grouping allows you to move and resize multiple items as one unit. Next, return to the first slide. Select Next, group the elements together. Then, locate the account section within your project. After that, add the OR condition or D value as required. Ensure these settings are correctly applied before proceeding. Once everything is set up, test the animation to see how it performs. Play the animation to observe the effects of your adjustments. If necessary, make further tweaks to timing or transitions for smoother results. Review the overall flow, confirming all elements interact properly. This sequence will help you create seamless professional animations that enhance your project's visual impact efficiently. Proceed step by step for best outcomes. If you encounter issues with the slides after making changes, start by removing any groupings. First, select the objects causing the problem. Then, right-click and choose Ungroup to separate them. This step is necessary because grouped items can interfere with editing individual elements. Focus on editing one object at a time to avoid errors. For example, if only specific slides or elements require adjustment, isolate them by ungrouping. This allows you to modify each part independently, ensuring precision. After ungrouping, verify that all elements are correctly separated. You can select each item to confirm that they respond individually to your edits. Once ungrouped, proceed to adjust the slides as needed. Modify text image, group only these two items. Next, minimize the modifications to ensure the maximum function operates correctly. This approach reduces unnecessary changes and keeps the process efficient. By limiting alterations, you maintain stability and improve performance. Test the function now to confirm it works as expected with fewer adjustments. This method helps avoid errors and simplifies troubleshooting while achieving your desired outcome effectively and reliably. To fix the image quality, first click Share, then select Download. Adjust the image quality settings as needed. Make sure all pages are included by selecting the appropriate options. When ready, click Download to save your file with the improved quality. This ensures your image is correctly formatted and complete before saving. Now you know how to animate slides in Canva. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun tips.